Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a Polygon update, so make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys want to get daily updates on Polygon. There's a lot to talk about today, as pretty much every day with Polygon, as we continue to see big news come in, as well as new partnerships and integrations. I do want to talk about new price predictions for Polygon as well, as we continue past this $2.24 price point. We continue to see Polygon do very, very well. We actually saw it go up to about $2.44, May 26th at 8:20 a.m. We continue to see the crypto market as a whole pretty much recover fairly well, but you know, Polygon's always been one that shoots up a little bit faster in the previous, I'd guess the previous couple of weeks. I'm trying to say past and previous at the same time there, but in the last month we see a 486% increase, which is very, very solid. Obviously, getting closer and closer to that 500%. We saw an all-time high right around that $2.83 range. I do think we are going to make a price target above that $2.83 range by the end of June. We will be doing price predictions at the end of the video for May, June, and 2021, so just make sure to stick around for that. But right now, guys, looking at the market cap at about $13.8 billion is a very, very solid market cap. The volume in the last 24 hours is what's pushing that market cap up, because we see an $8.4 billion volume in the last 24 hours, which is a fairly substantial volume for such a low market cap that Polygon has. So Polygon was formerly called the Matic Network. If you guys don't know, Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide in faster, cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So let's jump into the first article of the day. It's going to be about Mark Cuban invests in Ethereum layer 2 Polygon. I was a Polygon user and I find myself using it more and more, Cuban said in an email. So we also see, really, where are these major players investing? Where are these major players? What are they using in the blockchain? And that's exactly what you see here. He talks about how his investment in Polygon, this scaling solution, and really how he uses it as well. So Cuban confirmed in the investment email, that he would not disclose his size or his size or composition of his portfolio. Obviously, he's not going to tell you how much Polygon he has, but he definitely has some, and it goes to show that he's also using Polygon right now. So the price of Matic, the native token of Polygon, is up more than 9,535% year to date. With decentralized finance or DeFi and other projects going live on Polygon, users have increasingly turned onto the platform to escape the high transaction fees of the Ethereum mainnet. I was a Polygon user and find myself using it more and more, is what Cuban said in the email. And they also talk about, he said he's also integrating it into Lazy.com, a Cuban portfolio company that allows people to easily display non-fungible tokens or NFTs. We have spoken to many investors, but the decision with Mark Cuban was truly mind-blowing. Polygon co-founder Sandeep told CoinDesk via Telegram. Polygon was listed on Cuban's website Tuesday as one of his holdings as well. So we continue to see Polygon really being supported by large people like Mark Cuban that are going to continue to push this price farther and farther up. Jumping into some more stuff, I want to talk about Polygon integrations and partnerships they've had recently. We just have a few to take a look at today, and then we'll do those price predictions for May, June, and 2021. So we see Hey Gamers thrilled to announce that Play Ember Sword, a free-to-play or play-to-earn MMORPG, is launching their first NFT land sale directly on Polygon with purchases in WETH. So mark your calendars, May 27th, 2021. We continue to see, like I said, more and more people taking advantage of Polygon's network, and that's exactly why we see it here. So PHNX DAO launches an NFT event marketplace on Polygon, utilizing Matic for extremely quick transactions with low fees, brings a raft's benefits for Phemex, which will be used for in-app purchases and creating events. Jumping into the next one, we also have tune in for Clubhouse AMA with the Polygon team about all things DeFi and NFTs. May 25th at 5 p.m. UTC. Definitely take advantage of that, guys. It's great to hear some of these people talk. Polygon team specifically has great outlooks, and it's great to hear what you're investing in is really working on. So that's exactly what you can learn about here. Also looking at announcing a long-anticipated partnership we have now integrated with Polygon, and we'll be able to leverage our infrastructure and tools to Polygon and its really integration partners. So It's great to see this partnership take place as well. That's a little bit of a smaller network, the Aleph.im, about 11K followers, but, every partnership, every integration is definitely worthwhile, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. This is just a quick picture of the Polygon ecosystem, so you can probably see most of this page on your screen. You see the NFTs and gaming section, the banking payment section, DAO, dev tooling, DeFi, investment platform, compliance, authentication, staking, content monetization, funding, infrastructure, enterprise, and browser wallet. So there is a ton in the Polygon's ecosystem, and Sandeep said someone messaged him and just said mind-boggling, so he had to be pretty happy and pleased with this, because looking at this, you can just see how many different really networks are involved with Polygon's ecosystem as a whole. It is pretty mind-boggling looking at how many there really are. We are going to go back to my profile though and give you guys one more thing to do if you guys want to enter my link giveaway. If link is valued below $40 by the end of May, I will give someone who retweets and is following 50 links. So definitely take advantage of this, guys. All you have to do is jump into the description of this video and click the Twitter link. All you have to do is retweet then and follow me on Twitter. I try to give you guys most recent and up-to-date information as quickly as possible as well, so it's a great way to get all of that information very easily outside of YouTube as well. So I do want to talk about, like I said, price predictions for May, June, and 2021. So let's give it a quick refresh. $2.23, a 25.89% increase in the last 24 hours still. Looking very, very solid, like I said, across the board. A lot of coins are looking very, very good this morning, or today, not really the morning anymore, I guess, but 223 right now. It's looking very, very good, and I think, we're going to continue to do very, very well. I think we are out of that bear market. For the most part, we may have, a couple more consolidations or accumulation periods, but for the most part, we are going to see some slow increases from here on out. Polygon maybe moves faster than the rest of them. We've seen that in the past. A lot of people think Polygon is the answer to Ethereum, and that's exactly why we continue to see it move so fast. But let's talk about price predictions. For the end of May, I do suspect that Polygon will be above a $2.50 price point at the very least. We were very, very close at $2.44. I don't want to say much more than $2.50 because do remember, guys, I am always very, very conservative on my price predictions, trying to be as realistic as possible. And $2.50 is going to have to be my price prediction because, like I said, it's one of those things where, a lot could happen in the next couple of days, and I don't want to be too out there with my price prediction. So jumping into June, that's where I can give you guys a realistic number. I do think we will have a solid increase by the end of June. By the end of June, I do suspect, Polygon being over $3 at the very least. We were at 283, so it shouldn't be too hard for Polygon to get above that $3 mark by the end of June. Going into the end of 2021, I do think Polygon by the end of the bull run at the very least, I should say. Instead of 2021, I'm going to start saying by the end of the bull run if I can remember. By the end of the bull run, I do think Polygon will have topped or peaked around an $8 to $10 price point. So we'll see and really keep you up to date with where we're going with Polygon. If that changes, obviously I'll change my price predictions for you guys as we keep it up to date as possible. But like I said, daily updates, daily videos on Polygon. So make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys want to continue to have these daily updates. I will also say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. You guys have made this very, very fun as we talk about crypto every single day. We're getting really closer and closer to that 100K subscriber amount. So thank you guys so much again. I'll see you in the next one.